School gave me a straight path. Life threw me into a maze. Chalk and old books. His teacher smiled gently and said, "If you study hard, success will follow." Leo believed her. Every word felt like a promise, like a map to the future. But life doesn't come with instructions. Leo's journey wasn't about memorizing rules. It was about realizing no one handed him the real guidebook. Rows of students in uniform sat quietly. The teacher wrote, "Memorize this," on the chalkboard. Leo copied every word, eager to impress. The lights were dim, the room cold. It wasn't learning, it was training. Leo's hand shot up. His heart raced. He knew the answer. He wanted to be seen. The teacher nodded, and his classmates stared. That moment felt powerful, like school was the path to greatness. At home, Leo showed his perfect report card. A plus. Applause. His parents beamed with pride. "You're going to be someone," his father said. For Leo, success equaled grades. Nothing more, nothing less. Wearing his cap and gown, Leo walked across the stage. Cameras flashed, cheers echoed. He grinned, holding his diploma high. This was it, the moment school promised would change everything. Leo sat across from the recruiter. He spoke confidently, his grades, achievements, internships. But the recruiter frowned. "We're looking for something else." A red stamp. Rejected. His first real-world shock. In his small apartment, Leo stared at his diploma. It looked powerful in school. Now it felt powerless. The room was quiet, dimly lit. He whispered, "What am I missing?" His phone buzzed. Headlines filled the screen. AI replaces jobs. Market disrupted. Leo's face turned pale. All that effort, was it preparing him for a world that no longer existed? Leo sat in a buzzing office, screens everywhere. Co-workers moved fast, adapted faster. He sat frozen, unsure. The rules he'd memorized didn't work here. Leo's head dropped into his hands. His laptop blinked with non-stop alerts. AI tools, layoffs, market shifts. Information overload wasn't just tiring, it was terrifying. They never taught him how to navigate chaos. Dinner was silent, until it wasn't. "Why don't you just get a stable job?" someone asked. Leo forced a smile, because deep down he knew stability is often a cage dressed as comfort. In the mirror he saw it, not just a young man in a suit, but one drained, confused, and quietly desperate. Was this the version success promised? A ping, $23.44 in his account. He stared at it, not in shock, but with numbness. They taught him equations, not how to manage money. A video flashed, adapt or die. Leo paused. Something shifted. It wasn't just a message, it was a mirror. He picked up a book, Mindset Shift. The words glowed in his mind. Growth isn't found in comfort, it's found in chaos. He kept reading. A voice echoed from memory. "Follow the rules and you'll be safe." But Leo realized rules were made for stability, not evolution. On the rooftop, the world looked big, and Leo, small. But for the first time, he wasn't scared. He was ready. His laptop played Digital Skills 101. Soft glow on his face. Every new term felt like a door. Every door, a way out. In his notebook, 3 words stood bold: learn, apply, build. This wasn't just a plan, it was a rebirth. Leo sat in a workshop that buzzed with energy. People discussed AI, content creation, and future jobs. He wasn't the smartest in the room, but for once that didn't matter. He was curious, and curiosity was finally enough. Left, the old classroom, desks in rows, chalk squeaking. Right, Leo with a mic, camera, and courage, recording his first video. 2 worlds, 1 choice, and Leo finally chose himself. While others slept, Leo edited. Every cut, every sound, every word, he poured his story into the screen. He wasn't chasing views. He was chasing truth. The video didn't explode, but it didn't disappear either. 1,000 views, a small number, a massive step. For the first time, someone out there heard him. This changed my mindset. Wish I learned this sooner. Leo read the comments slowly, each word a spark. Maybe he wasn't alone in his confusion after all. Now Leo stood where his teacher once stood. Except he wasn't teaching rules. He was teaching change. On the board, change equals opportunity. His voice didn't tremble. His story mattered. A younger student approached. How do I start? Leo smiled. He remembered that same question in his own eyes years ago. This time he had an answer, and it began with belief. On stage, Leo shared what school never taught him, that failure wasn't final, that rules could be rewritten, and that real success starts with self-discovery. His wall was filled with sticky notes, ideas, dreams, reminders, each one proof. He wasn't waiting for change anymore. He was creating it. Leo walked into the city, the future unwritten. He didn't have all the answers, but he had the one thing school never gave him, a path that was truly his own. The system won't prepare you, but you can prepare yourself. Subscribe for more. Real lessons, mindset shifts, and the freedom school forgot to teach. Be the creator of your own path.